First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can log in from I will provide you link how you can log in, username and password. Okay. First, after login, you will see this dashboard, and then you will go to products. You can see all products from here. You can add new product from here. You can add new categories, or if you want to see all categories, how many categories you have, you can click here. And if you want to add new attributes like color, size, etc, you can click here. First of all, we look how many color we have, or okay, first we check how many categories we have. We can see there are several categories which I have added into your store. Okay, we can see all the categories. And if you want to add new category, just simply type name and then again type name. And if it is main category, then there is no need to select any parent category. And if it is subcategory, then you can choose subcategory. If it is any special events subcategory, then you can choose main category sub special event, and then it will be under on these subcategories within. Okay, after clicking, you will add new category button, then the category will be added. Okay, after that you need to add new products. Okay, simply go, you can add from here. You can see first how many products you have. Okay, you can add a new product from here. For that, just simply click on add new product. I'm opening in another tab. You will see how we can add a new product. Okay, you can see add product name, add product description. Okay, after if any you have, and then select the product category, which is okay, if it is subcategory, then choose main category and then subcategory. Okay, and then add product image. And if a product have many images, then you can add the remaining images in product gallery. The short product title description will be added here. Okay, this main description will be added here. Okay, now if it is a simple product, then only add price from here. And if the product have many options like color, variants, etc, sizes वगैरह, then you need to click on variable product. Okay, then click on attributes, then click on add attributes. First we need to add attributes from the product from here. Okay, actually I have added some variants. You can choose from here. After clicking on add, you will see an attribute will be added. A color attribute is added. Now we select all colors which I have added in the attribute section. If from here you can see the color, and if you want to remove any color, you can click here. Okay, the color is removed. Okay, now click on used for variants. After clicking on use for variants, it will be save. These color will be used for variants. Okay, save attributes. The color attribute is saved. Then after saving, click on variants. Okay, after clicking on variants, you need to add all variants of the product. Create all variants from all attributes. After clicking on this, all the variants will be added. Now 11 variants are added. Then we need to add prices 1 1 2. Okay, all prices for all these variants. Okay, first we add prices for all these variants, then we click save. After adding prices you need to click on save change, then the variants will be saved. Okay, after saving, as we have not added image, let we add an dummy image for an sample product. Let we add this image. As we are adding a sample product for understanding how we can add. Okay, let we choose a category uncategorized. Okay, after these adding information we can click on publish, then our product will be published. Now you can see our product is published, and we can see the product how looks like from here. Okay, our product is added and the URL is sample product. Okay, now we can see the product image is this, and the product sample product name and price, and we can see the color is this. Okay, these are the colors which I have added from the color attributes. Okay, we can see all other information are added from here, and there is no related product in this category. Okay, now if you want to, we are going to delete this product, move to trash. If we want to delete any product, our product will be deleted. Or now if we want to edit any product, let's see, if we want to edit this product, then click on edit. I am going to open in new tab. It is opening here. Okay, now it is opened. Now if we want to change price of the product, or we want to change the product image, or we want to add any product description, or want to change the product description, we can change from here. Okay, and if we want to add a product change product category, we can change from here. Okay, and then after adding all information which is required, you want to change, click on update. The product will be updated. As I added this product as a simple product, you can change if you want to add colors like size, these attributes, then you need to click on variable product. The product will like look this, and then you add attributes, and then you choose the attribute which you want to add. Let we want to add colors, then we click on colors, add colors. Now we can see we can add one by one. Okay, or we can select all, or if we want to remove any one, you can remove from here. Okay, after adding these colors, we click on save. After that you just need to click on variants, simply same as we do on the product add time. Then we will add all the variants which are using product attribute. Product variant will be added. The product variant are created. You just you can add prices for all. Okay, after that you can save. After saving, you can update the product. Okay, click on update. Our product is updated. We can see how the product looks like now. Okay, now we can see the product colors are added and we can choose any one from here. Okay, we can see all the other info here. Now if we want to add more colors, then you need to click on attributes. Then you can see the color which I have added here. You can click on here you can see all the images color which I have added. You can add new color from here. Type name again, and add in avada attribute, add an image